Hello everybody, this is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel Feel Science. First of all, very sorry to all of my subscribers and viewers for the huge gap of 5 to 6 months. Friends, the topic we are going to discuss today is very long as well as important for high school, intermediate, BSc and MSc students. Friends, as we all know, this topic is very long and confusing. We will discuss about this topic in 3 separate videos. In this first video, we are going to discuss about the overview of the photosynthesis reaction. In the other 2 videos, we will discuss about light reaction and dark reaction in detail. So, let's begin with the definition of photosynthesis reaction. Photosynthesis is the process by which all green plants prepare their food, that is glucose, by the water and carbon dioxide with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Photosynthesis वह जैव रासायनिक प्रक्रिया है जिसमें सभी हरे पौधे अपना भोजन जल और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को यूज़ करके क्लोरोफिल और सनलाइट की सहायता से बनाते हैं. And now let's move on to the reaction of photosynthesis. Here you can clearly see the balanced chemical reaction of photosynthesis in which 6 carbon dioxide molecules react with 6 water molecules in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to produce 1 molecule of glucose, that is we call the food, and the 6 molecules of oxygen. This oxygen is released by the plants into the atmosphere. Here you can see the very familiar diagram showing the photosynthesis in which green plants are exposed to the sunlight which powers the process of photosynthesis. Roots of the plant absorb water from the earth and the leaves of the plant absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. The reaction proceeds within the leaves of the plants. Glucose and oxygen are produced. Glucose is used by the plants and oxygen is released back into the atmosphere. This oxygen is used by the animals for cellular respiration. Here you are seeing the another simplified diagram of photosynthesis in which green leaf is being exposed to the light photons coming from the sun. Input of CO2 and water into the reaction of photosynthesis and the output or products that are glucose and oxygen. Friends, as I have told you earlier that this reaction of photosynthesis is very complex and is further divided into 2 separate reactions, that is light reaction and dark reaction. Let us first know what is this light reaction. This light reaction is also known as photophosphorylation. The another name of this reaction is Hill's reaction because this reaction was discovered by Robin Hill. This is also known as light harvesting reaction. It is a light dependent reaction. It cannot take place in the absence of light. In this light reaction, finally NADPH and ATP molecules are produced, and this light reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. What is this thylakoid membrane of chloroplast? We will talk about this later. Let us first see what happens in this light reaction. First of all, water molecule is broken down or splitted into 2 protons and oxygen with the help of sunlight photons, and then NADPH and ATP molecules are produced which are further used in the dark reaction. Now let us move on to the dark reaction. Dark reaction is also known as the Calvin cycle or Calvin-Benson cycle. It is also known as the reductive pentose pathway. The other name of this dark reaction is C3 cycle, and this reaction was discovered by Melvin Calvin. The dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast, and what happens in this reaction? CO2 is finally reduced into glucose with the help of ATP and NADPH. These are the same molecules which were produced in the light reaction. Friends, we are now seeing the structure of a typical chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the double membrane, tiny granular structures present within a plant cell having chlorophyll molecules within them. Chlorophyll molecules traps the solar energy to convert this solar energy into chemical energy, that is ATP. There are two distinct regions present within a typical chloroplast known as grana or granum and stroma. Grana is made up of stacks of disc-shaped structures known as thylakoids. Chlorophyll is present within thylakoid membrane. Friends, let us now summarize the reaction of photosynthesis. As you all know, the reaction of photosynthesis is divided into two separate reactions, that is light reaction and dark reaction. Let us first see what is this light reaction. In this light reaction, the water molecule is splitted or broken down into protons and oxygen within the thylakoid membrane, and finally the oxygen is released into the atmosphere. ATP and NADPH molecules are produced in the light reaction, which are used in the dark reaction or Calvin cycle, and at the end of Calvin cycle CO2 is fixed into the glucose, and this is known the dark reaction, and this dark reaction takes place within the stroma of the chloroplast. This was all about the overview of the photosynthesis reaction. In the next video we will discuss about the light reaction and dark reaction. फ्रेंड्स, अगर मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने वैल्यूएबल कमेंट्स ज़रूर करें, जिससे मुझे पता चल जाए कि मेरी वीडियो में क्या कमी है और मैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वो कमी दूर कर सकूं। थैंक यू।